So I devised this little thing to show you. This only has to come down. Like, I don't know if you can even see it. It's just barely a thing. So I have a clamp and with a washer for a spacer to cover the thing. And I'll just heat it and hold it and let it hold itself in place, or let it mold its, or reset itself in place. And so, very simple process, just a little patience, and there you go. Fixing trucks, fixing couplers, making the trains run good.